Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag X. This was actually sent to me in PR. This is the first time they ever sent out the Glam Bag X to anyone on their PR list. We got it right here and I'm here to tell you guys, is this actually worth like the $65 that it is? So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep watching. So not gonna lie, I have no idea who this box is affiliated with. When I got an email saying that they were sending this out to me, I was like, oh my God, they're sending me the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I was surprised because this is the first time they've ever done this. And so I went on to my personal account and I actually canceled this month's box because I didn't want to have to pay $65 depending on what's in here because I just wasn't sure. I didn't see any spoilers. So I canceled my box. So I still have my $15 bag coming in, but I don't have the $65 bag because my God, they charge up the ass now. And I want to give you guys an update. I actually got an email from BoxyCharm asking if I ever received my box, and I said I did not. So they actually sent me a brand new box. And I put it straight into a giveaway. I didn't even bother opening it. I put it straight into a giveaway because I just want to give it back to you guys because at this point, I already saw spoilers for it, so I just had no desire. But we'll see what happens when the August box comes. If it does, because I got an email saying that it shipped. So we shall see. So if you guys did not know, every 3 months, Ipsy does a luxe version of like BoxyCharm. So they do like a luxe version where every 3 months it's like $65 for items curated by a celebrity or an influencer, and they put the best of the best products in here, or the best to them. I literally have no idea who this month is featured or who's in this box. So we're gonna see because I generally don't know, and typically there is something in here that tells me, but I just see just a box of just keys. So is there like a little there's no pamphlet. Okay, let's see who did this. I'm gonna have to look. Okay, Ipsy Glam Bag X. Okay, so this month the box is curated by Alicia Keys. Okay, so it says that Ipsy promises 8 juicy products valued up to $350 for only $58. So it says that our box will include 8 products and may include the following for the spoilers. So at least this right here is going to give me some spoilers and tells me what's going to be in here, hopefully. So the first thing that I'm seeing is, oh, it's something from Lawless. I actually really do like Lawless. I want to try more stuff from their brand. I love their lip plumpers. Their lip plumpers are so good. So this is the Baby One Talc-Free Eyeshadow Palette. So here we have this Lawless palette. I don't know if it's actually on here. I'm kind of curious to see if they have Lawless. Okay, yeah. So this is actually on here. And it retails for $25. Thank God for the spoiler website. It's literally giving me like all the info. Okay, cool. So here we have the one baby. And let's take a look at it. Oh, okay. It's not bad. There's 2 shimmers and there's 6 mattes. And this shimmer looks like it's kind of like not fitting in there properly. Do you guys see that? I've never tried anything from Lawless. I never tried any of their eyeshadow formulas, so I really can't tell you guys how it is. But I will say it's a cute palette. Definitely not my style palette. You guys know I'm all about the colors. And if I do dip into neutrals, I don't know, I want to be more aesthetically pleasing than this. I think if they had like 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, it'd probably be a little bit better for me personally. But here we do have the Lawless palette for $25. Actually not a bad price point at all. So that's cool. And it's talc free. I'm sorry that there's no like newspaper in here for me to read stuff to you, because typically whenever I buy the box, it comes with like a newspaper and there's nothing in here. So I'm just gonna have to look online. Okay, so next we have something from Keys. This is the Be Luminous Exfoliator. So this, oh, this is gonna be such a fun video for you guys to watch, huh? Me sitting here looking up everything. Okay. Okay, so the exfoliator is $25. I'm really gonna have to look up everything. Okay, that's gonna be so annoying. Okay, so let's just take a look at this. I'm assuming since Alicia Keys curated this box, she's gonna throw a lot of her brand in here, which like I guess makes sense. But it just says that it's an exfoliator. It doesn't have too much information on it. On the back it says, I am layered, complex, and divine. It smells nice. I could say that it smells nice. Okay, on the back it says, developed in partnership with board certified dermatologists, this water activated powder exfoliator formulated with Hochia powder, mung beans, oat, and lactic acid transform into gentle creamy foam to gently buff away dullness and reveal your true radiance. Skin feels soft and smooth. Okay, cool. Okay, so next we got something from Keys again. This is the Obsidian Face Roller. Oh, treat yourself to a gentle, stimulating massage with an obsidian roller. Obsidian stone is a volcanic glass created from quickly cooled lava. This roller will feel cool to the touch, helping the skin feel revitalized while improving skin tone and texture. So it wants you to use this with the skin transformation cream to use the best benefits of it. And this right here retails for $25. Man, everything is $25. Okay, so this is how this looks. Oh, there's a message. I am strong, capable, and unstoppable. So this is how the roller itself looks. I bought a roller not too long ago from TJ Maxx because I needed it for some TikTok video. I don't remember what it was. But it definitely is really cool to touch. I really should use these more often. I see, like, oh my God, on TikTok, they have like these facial spa ASMR videos. So fun to watch. And I see them always put on a face mask, and then they use this to like smooth down the face mask, or they use this after face mask, they use this to rub all over like the skin. It feels really nice. So I'm really gonna have to try to use this because I've never really used a roller before for the way that it's supposed to be used. So we'll have to definitely give that a go. All right, next we have something from Too Faced. This is the Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long Lasting Lip Plumper. This is the Extreme. So which ones do I have? Is it the Ultimate? Oh, this is so pretty though. So pretty. I love the color of this. It's like a iridescent mermaid. And on here, it's saying that it is $29. And I think the one I have is Max, and this is just the Extreme. Smells the exact same. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to keep this, only for the mere fact that there is something about the Too Faced lip injections that I just can't stand. Like, I can only put on for 5 minutes and I have to take it off because it just feels like tons of bee stings to my lips. It feels too hot, and I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. I have done it before where I've put it on before any lip product, let it like sting my lips, and then I take it off. My lips feel like they're plumper, but I can't just leave it on because it's just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the stinging. Okay, so next we have something from Bobbi Brown. This is the Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. This is going to be in the shade Vanilla. I don't know how people open these nicely. I always end up tearing mine open. Okay, so it looks to me like just like a little cream stick like so, with a little like golden tip. I actually generally am not a fan of these. I don't really ever take them and apply them to the lid. I think it's just maybe because my lid is too wrinkly, or I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of like how they apply to the lid itself. But we can take a look at the price point. It is $30. I feel like this video is gonna be so fun for you guys. I have to stop and keep looking at the price point. Okay, next we have something from Pericome MD. This is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. So this is a non-drying formula. Non-drying formula cleanses without stripping away natural oils, visibly improves skin clarity, texture, and tone, and skin is left looking radiant and feeling refreshed. So this actually retails for $35, and I'm kind of curious to see like how this smells. I've heard of this brand a lot, and I've seen it inside stores. I just never like tried it, and I just realized it's close. I really can't smell it too much, but I'm definitely into trying stuff. I like trying out new skincare if I can. So definitely have to give this a go. It's kind of nice to see different skin. I was afraid there was just gonna be all of her stuff in here, but it's kind of nice to see her branching out and putting other products in here as well. Okay, next we have a Keys. This is the Skin Transformation Cream. So this definitely goes along with the roller. And on here it says that this retails for $32. And it says, developed in partnership with board-certified dermatologists, this potent yet gentle, clean formula hydrates, nourishes for plumped and radiant-looking skin. Bokchuli macellite, known as the stone of transformation, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid helps renew skin. Man, sometimes they have the weirdest freaking names. I swear to God. I don't know if I have this or not. I think I might. I'm not entirely sure because I've gotten her stuff before, like in a BoxyCharm. It smells okay. Smells okay. All right, and last but not least, we got something from I knew the day would come. I knew the day would come when I would not be able to escape this. Okay, we've been doing so good for so long, but it is time. We have the word woke. Cool Steam Eye Mask. It's intense hydration, reduces dark circles and puffy eyes right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, okay, it's this. Oh wait, I'm so confused. Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Now I'm kind of confused. Let me see what this says. So this retails for $49.99 and it comes with an actual like eye mask. So we have like an eye mask and then we actually have like physical eye mask that you put on for a steam session. And then it also has like the cooling gels right here that are stuck in this box. We have like cooling gels and then we have eye mask and then we have these. Now these are actually not bad. I actually don't mind these. I'm sitting here thinking for 1 second that it was going to be like a little like eye mask. Because if you guys have been with me on my channel at any point in time, you guys have seen for months and months and months and months. The only skincare I was getting is eye cream, eye cream, eye cream. And I was like, oh my God, I get it. But we've definitely had some boxes lay off in the eye cream. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, it's about time. But this actually isn't bad. Because of one, I like having sleeping masks. Sleeping masks are so nice to have, especially since this is a silk one. And then you can actually use the steam mask to put like on in the shower to have nice hot steam. Or you can do the cooling mask, put this in the fridge and put on your eyes, which I think is really nice. So definitely a really unique eye kit. I didn't know what to expect when I first saw that, so it makes me excited. So we have 3 skincare products. We have like 2 makeup skincare tools, and then we have 3 skincare products right here. Now this box does retail for $58 plus shipping and handling, so you're looking around $65, and this is supposed to have over $350 value. I would personally say, in my opinion, this is kind of a underwhelming box. The last few Ipsy Glam Bags X have been truly phenomenal. They've really done such great jobs in the past, and I felt like this month is kind of heavier focused around skincare, but it does make sense because I know Alicia Keys is all about the skincare. It's why she created her Keys skincare line, because she loves skincare. So I definitely understand why she picked the items that she did. I personally would just pay for the boxes to get makeup only, but that's me. Or I kind of like an even like ratio where it's like 3-to-2 makeup to skincare, and I think they did a great job of balancing it. But I personally just like to get it for the makeup aspect because I like getting makeup more than skincare, especially since I have so much skincare. So yeah, definitely not a bad box at all. And if you guys hear screaming in the background, that's just my cat Jace screaming at my freaking dogs. But yeah, I definitely do prefer to get more makeup than skincare, but it's definitely not a bad box at all. I think it's really well worth the value considering what you paid for and what you get. I just prefer more more makeup. And I know you guys in the comment section tend to agree with me on that because a lot of you guys get these for makeup, but I definitely see why these items got picked the way they did. And there's items in here I'm definitely going to utilize. So yeah, I feel so bad because I'm noticing that like my Ipsies and Boxies videos tend to be so like short, and I feel bad. I don't mean to make them short, but like there's only so much I can do. And I know there's other creators out there who like open the box and they try on the makeup, but you guys can kind of see for yourself, I don't really get much makeup to try. So it's really hard for me to do that in a YouTube video when I don't get a lot of items to try for you guys. But the good thing about it is I do get to add it to No Waste Wednesdays if there's items in here I don't want to keep. So that is good. But yeah, that is everything we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag X. This is, like I said, these are every 3 months. I personally did not get my own this month, and I'm glad that I didn't because I would have gotten double of everything, and I don't need to have double of everything, and I would have given the whole box back to you guys. But I'm glad I didn't spend that $65. But yeah, I'm not mad about it either. So Ipsy, thank you guys so much. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel to Art for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? And boxing, but we're gonna be boxing So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing or